Flair Writing is about to list in just
Flair
about a
Writing
moment's time. You can
Industries
see
Limited
visuals from
is
the
now
NSE
officially
of
listed
the
on the
opening
stock
of Flair.
exchanges, and it's a milestone for the company. We are so grateful to our host NSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, our members of the board, our family and friends, well-wishers, our shareholders, and all you viewers out here who took out the time to celebrate this momentous occasion with all of us.
All right, Flair, has settled at a price of about 501 in the pre-open on NSE. We'll just have the numbers for you right now, but from the settlement of at the pre-opening session, it suggests an upside of about 65% over the issue price of 304 rupees. And the market was expecting a premium of about 25% or so. So a big beat on that front. Listing wise, we'll just get you numbers on that in just a short while. Now Gaurang, as we speak, Flair Writing has listed at a premium of about 55%. The share listed at a stock price of about 470 per share versus issue of 304, much ahead of what the street was expecting, and bumper returns we are seeing from some of these listings. Tata Tech almost tripled investors' wealth, Gandhar doubled investors' wealth. So for long-term investors who were in it to hold the stocks, hoping to get these stocks and hold it for the long term, but they are seeing such returns, what should they do? Like, should they perhaps book some profit off the table, or maybe because they were long-term buyers, average out?
This is what exactly we discussed, I think, about a week or 10 days back when I was on this program, and you had put forward a question with respect to so many IPOs hitting the street and whether there would be, what kind of interest would it generate. So not only did it generate multiple folds of interest in form of subscription, but also the listing was equally stellar, barring, I think, Federal Financial Service, Fed Finance. That listed at a discount, but then it recovered the ground yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. So decent return. We had recommendation on IRIDA as well as Tata Technologies via IPO note, and we had issued a subscribe from a long-term point of view. Now look, yes, these kind of listing gains are always tempting and mouth-watering for retail investors to book out. But look at what kind of allotment you got. I think the number of shares that retail investors got, uh, depending upon the subscription and the proportionate allotment thereafter, would not be so big. So I don't think you should be in a hurry to book out from these names, because the number of shares that you would have had would have been bare minimum. And it would be prudent, because we expect these businesses to do better on fallback of earnings visibility.